Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you three simple methods on how to fix your command prompt or the CMD is not working or opening in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first method is you need to navigate the start icon. Please do a right click and click on Task Manager. So here at the task manager, you need to proceed with the processes, and under the processes, you need to locate for Windows command processor. So it might be running under the apps or it might be running under the Windows processes. So all you need to do is you need to locate for it. Okay. In my case, I don't have such, but if you do, okay. So let's say for example, this is the Windows command processor. All you need to do is you need to do a right click and go with end task. Once you're done, check if your command prompt is now working this time on. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the second method. Our second method would be we need to create a shortcut for CMD. So how we can do that, please do a right click, okay? Go with new and click on shortcut. So a shortcut window would show up. Here you need to type for cmd.exe. Again, type for cmd.exe. Once done, click on next. And you can name the shortcut into CMD or command prompt. In my case, I'll just leave it there, CMD. Once you're done, click on finished. And there you have that. You can now go with the shortcut. So please do a right click, go with this properties. And under the properties, please proceed at the bottom option and click on advanced. And here the advanced, check this run as administrator. Once you're done, click on OK. Go with apply to set it and click on OK. Once you're done, double tap to it and if it's working. So click on yes if your user account control would ask you to say yes. And here we go. We can use this command prompt here as your new CMD shortcut. Okay? The third method that you can do is, let me just delete that. The third method that you can do is you need to bring up your File Explorer window. So here is the File Explorer. By the way, you can also press Windows and letter E as an eagle key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the File Explorer. Please navigate to your C drive or local disk, and please select for Windows. And under the Windows, you need to scroll down and locate for SysWow64. So I can see it here. Once you've find it, double tap to it, and proceed to the upper center of the screen. You can see there an address bar. Just select on it and copy this path link. So Control C to copy. And once you've copied it, close the window and proceed to the button search bar. And this time you need to type for system variables. Now, the moment you've typed that, you would be able to see this best match, which is edit the system environment variables. Please click on open to continue. And in that way, you would be able to bring up the system properties window. Where here, you need to proceed with this option called environment variables. Click on it. And this will show you all of the the two environment variables. So you can go either of this, one of these two. So this first box is your variables for your how to fix, exclusive for your how to fix guides. In my case, exclusive to your current user account that is being currently logged in. And the system variables here at the second is for all user account. This one is all only exclusive for your current user account that is being logged in. Okay, so you can choose either of these two. In my case, I'll be choosing this user variables for my user account. Now click on this path, go with edit. Okay, go with new. And once you have create a new one, press Ctrl V in your keyboard to paste it. And once you have pasted it, click on OK. Click on OK once again and go with OK. Once you're done, just check if your command prompt is now working. So navigate to the button search bar, type for CMD. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match will appear and please go with run as administrator. Try to check. If your user account control would notify you, please proceed on yes so that you can give permission or you can allow on running the command prompt as administrator and it's now working this time on. So that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. So those are the three simple methods on how to fix your CMD which is not working or responding in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. If those steps help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.